If you watched our first video about cleansing and healing your liver, you know we covered 3 powerful habit swaps that can make a dramatic difference in your liver health, replacing sugary drinks with black coffee, green tea, or matcha, choosing baked or grilled meals with turmeric instead of deep-fried foods, and adding berries, broccoli, and beets while avoiding ultra-processed foods. The response to that video was incredible, and many of you asked for more liver-supporting strategies. Today, we're diving into part 2 with 3 additional habits that can take your liver health to the next level. Your liver is working 24/7 to filter toxins, process nutrients, and keep your body functioning optimally. But many common daily habits can overburden this vital organ, while simple changes can give it the support it needs to do its job effectively. The 3 strategies we're covering today focus on timing, hydration, and reducing one of the biggest burdens on liver function. Each one is backed by science and can be implemented immediately to support your liver's natural healing and detoxification processes. Before we get started, make sure to download our free PDF guide specifically for this video, which includes all the details we'll cover plus additional liver supporting tips. And if you're looking for ongoing support and motivation from others who care about their health, consider joining our senior health community where we share strategies and encourage each other every step of the way. Let's start with the first liver supporting habit change. Don't eat late night meals. Instead, stop eating 3 hours before bed to give your liver time to detox overnight. Your liver has a natural rhythm that's closely tied to your sleep-wake cycle. During the day, it focuses primarily on processing nutrients from food, producing bile for digestion, and managing blood sugar levels. But at night, when you're not eating, your liver shifts into detoxification mode, working to clear toxins and repair cellular damage. When you eat late at night, you're essentially forcing your liver to continue its digestive work when it should be focusing on detoxification and repair. This creates a significant burden that can impair both digestive function and the liver's ability to cleanse your body effectively. The science behind this is fascinating. Your liver contains its own circadian clock that regulates various metabolic processes throughout a 24-hour cycle. Research shows that liver function, including detoxification enzymes and bile production, follows predictable daily patterns that are optimized when aligned with natural eating and sleeping rhythms. When you eat within a few hours of bedtime, several problematic things happen. First, your liver has to continue producing digestive enzymes and processing nutrients when it should be shifting into repair mode. Second, late-night eating often leads to elevated blood sugar and insulin levels during sleep, which can promote fat storage in the liver. Third, the detoxification processes that normally occur during sleep become less efficient. Consider Margaret's transformation. This 67-year-old retiree had developed a habit of having her largest meal late in the evening, often eating dinner around 8 p.m. and snacking until bedtime around 11 p.m. She frequently woke up feeling sluggish, experienced digestive discomfort, and noticed her energy levels were consistently low throughout the day. Margaret's doctor suggested that her late eating pattern might be affecting her liver function and overall health. She decided to experiment with stopping all food intake by 7 p.m., giving her liver a full 4 hours to transition from digestion to detoxification before her 11 p.m. bedtime. The changes were remarkable and happened faster than Margaret expected. Within 2 weeks, she was waking up feeling more refreshed and energetic. Her digestive discomfort decreased significantly, and she noticed more stable energy levels throughout the day. After a month of this new eating pattern, her morning sluggishness had completely disappeared. The practical implementation of this habit requires some planning but becomes natural once established. Aim to finish your last meal or snack at least 3 hours before your planned bedtime. If you go to bed at 10 p.m., stop eating by 7 p.m. If your bedtime is 11 p.m., finish eating by 8 p.m. This doesn't mean you need to eat a tiny dinner. Instead, focus on having your larger meals earlier in the day when your digestive system is most active. Many people find success with a substantial lunch and a moderate dinner, rather than saving their biggest meal for evening. If you currently eat late and find this change challenging, Implement it gradually. Start by moving your last meal 30 minutes earlier each week until you reach the 3-hour mark. This gives your body time to adjust to the new pattern without feeling deprived. Plan your meals and snacks throughout the day to ensure you're getting adequate nutrition before your evening cutoff time. If you're genuinely hungry in the evening, it often indicates that you haven't eaten enough earlier in the day. Be consistent with this pattern, even on weekends. Your liver's circadian rhythm functions best with regular patterns, and inconsistent eating times can disrupt the natural cycles that optimize liver function. Habit number 2, don't neglect hydration. Instead, drink adequate water throughout the day to support liver detoxification. Water is essential for every function your liver performs, from producing bile and processing nutrients to filtering toxins and eliminating waste products. When you're dehydrated, even mildly, your liver cannot function efficiently and toxins can build up in your system. Your liver processes about 1.5 liters of blood every minute, filtering out toxins and waste products. This process requires adequate hydration to maintain proper blood volume and ensure toxins can be effectively flushed from your system through urine and other elimination pathways. Dehydration forces your liver to work harder while being less effective. When you don't drink enough water, your blood becomes more concentrated, making it more difficult for your liver to filter effectively. Additionally, many of the liver's detoxification processes require water to dissolve and eliminate waste products. The liver also produces bile, which requires adequate hydration to maintain the right consistency. When you're dehydrated, bile can become thick and sluggish, affecting your ability to digest fats and absorb fat-soluble vitamins properly. Research shows that even mild dehydration can impair liver function and reduce the efficiency of detoxification processes. Conversely, maintaining optimal hydration supports all aspects of liver health and can improve energy levels, digestion, and overall well-being. Take Robert's hydration journey. This 71-year-old retired engineer had always been focused on his health, but realized he was chronically underhydrated. He typically drank only 2-3 glasses of water per day, relying on coffee and occasional sodas for most of his fluid intake. He experienced frequent afternoon fatigue, occasional digestive issues, and felt generally sluggish. Robert committed to drinking at least 8 glasses of water daily, spreading his intake throughout the day rather than trying to drink large amounts at once. He started each morning with a full glass of water before coffee, kept a water bottle at his desk, and set gentle reminders on his phone to drink regularly. The improvements were noticeable within a week. Robert's afternoon energy crashes became less frequent, his digestion improved, and he felt more alert throughout the day. After a month of consistent hydration, his overall energy and mental clarity had improved significantly. For optimal liver support, aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily, though individual needs vary based on activity level, climate, and overall health. A good rule of thumb is that your urine should be pale yellow throughout the day. Dark urine often indicates dehydration. Start your day with water before consuming coffee or other beverages. This helps rehydrate your body after the natural dehydration that occurs during sleep and supports your liver's morning functions. Spread your water intake throughout the day rather than drinking large amounts at once. This maintains consistent hydration and prevents overwhelming your kidneys. Consider the quality of your water. Filtered water removes chlorine and other chemicals that can add to your liver's toxic burden. If you use tap water, letting it sit in an open container for a few hours allows chlorine to evaporate naturally. Add natural flavor to encourage more water consumption if plain water feels boring. Lemon, cucumber, mint, or other fresh additions can make hydration more enjoyable without adding sugars or artificial ingredients. Monitor your hydration status by paying attention to thirst, urine color, and energy levels. As we age, our thirst sensation can become less reliable, so conscious attention to hydration becomes increasingly important. Finally, habit number 3, don't consume excessive alcohol. Instead, drink lemon water or dandelion tea to support natural detoxification. Alcohol is one of the most significant burdens you can place on your liver. While the liver can process small amounts of alcohol effectively, excessive consumption forces this vital organ to work overtime and can lead to inflammation, fatty deposits, and impaired detoxification function. When you drink alcohol, your liver must prioritize metabolizing it over other important functions. This means that while your liver is processing alcohol, its ability to perform other crucial tasks like detoxifying other substances, producing important proteins, and regulating blood sugar becomes compromised. The liver metabolizes alcohol through a two-step process that produces toxic byproducts, including acetaldehyde, which can damage liver cells if produced faster than it can be eliminated. Regular, excessive alcohol consumption can lead to fatty liver, inflammation, and progressive liver damage. Even moderate alcohol consumption can affect liver function in older adults, whose livers may not process alcohol as efficiently as they once did. Additionally, many medications commonly used by seniors can interact with alcohol, further increasing the burden on liver function. The good news is that replacing alcohol with liver-supporting beverages can actually enhance your liver's natural detoxification abilities while reducing its toxic burden. Consider Dorothy's experience with reducing alcohol consumption. This 69-year-old retiree had developed a habit of having 2-3 glasses of wine most evenings, which she viewed as a way to relax and socialize. However, she began noticing that her sleep quality was poor, her energy levels were inconsistent, and she felt generally less vital than she wanted to. When Dorothy's doctor suggested that her alcohol consumption might be affecting her liver function and overall health, she decided to experiment with significantly reducing her intake. Instead of wine, she began drinking lemon water in the evening and trying herbal teas like dandelion tea. The transition required some adjustment, but Dorothy found new evening rituals that were actually more relaxing than her previous habits. She discovered that lemon water helped her feel more hydrated and energetic, while dandelion tea became a soothing evening ritual. After 2 months of minimal alcohol consumption, Dorothy's sleep quality had improved dramatically. Her morning energy was consistently higher, and she felt more mentally clear throughout the day. She realized that what she had attributed to normal aging was actually related to alcohol's impact on her liver and overall health. If you currently consume alcohol regularly, consider reducing your intake gradually rather than stopping abruptly. The goal is sustainable change that supports long-term liver health. Lemon water provides vitamin C and natural compounds that support liver detoxification pathways. Start your day with warm lemon water to kickstart your liver's morning functions, and consider having lemon water in the evening as a replacement for alcoholic beverages. Dandelion tea has been traditionally used to support liver function and may help stimulate bile production and natural detoxification processes. Many people find it a satisfying evening beverage that promotes relaxation without the negative effects of alcohol. If you're used to having a drink to relax in the evening, create new rituals around your alcohol alternatives. Use special glasses, add ice and garnishes to lemon water, or create a calming tea ceremony with dandelion or other herbal teas. Pay attention to how reducing alcohol affects your sleep quality, energy levels, and overall well-being. Many people are surprised by how much better they feel when they reduce alcohol consumption, even if they weren't drinking what they considered excessive amounts. Consider the social aspects of drinking and plan alternatives for social situations. Many social gatherings can be just as enjoyable with non-alcoholic alternatives, and you may find that others are interested in reducing their alcohol consumption as well. These 3 habits work synergistically to support your liver's natural functions while reducing the burdens that can impair its effectiveness. When you stop eating late at night, maintain proper hydration, and reduce alcohol consumption, you're creating optimal conditions for your liver to perform its vital detoxification and repair functions. The liver is remarkably resilient and can begin recovering and functioning more efficiently within days of implementing these supportive habits. Many people notice improvements in energy levels, sleep quality, and overall well-being within just a few weeks of making these changes. Remember that liver health affects every aspect of your well-being, from energy and mood to immune function and cognitive clarity. By supporting your liver through these simple but powerful habit changes, you're investing in your overall health and vitality. Start with the habit that feels most achievable for you right now. You don't need to implement all three changes simultaneously. Sustainable change often happens best when you focus on one area at a time and build momentum gradually. The combination of these 6 habits from both videos, avoiding sugary drinks, deep-fried foods, and ultra-processed foods while embracing early eating, proper hydration, and minimal alcohol consumption, creates a comprehensive approach to liver health that can dramatically improve how you feel and function. Don't forget to download our free PDF guide with all the details from today's video, plus additional liver-supporting tips and strategies. And if you want ongoing support and encouragement from others who share your commitment to better health, join our senior health community where we celebrate every positive change. Your liver works tirelessly to keep you healthy. These simple habit changes are powerful ways to show it the support and care it deserves.